Hi there, and welcome to our virtual tour of the Togean Islands. This experience has been captured in full 360, which means you are free to look around and explore as we take you on this journey. Simply click and drag on the screen or use the video player's built-in controls to move the camera around. On this tour, we are visiting a mangrove forest that has been protected and conserved by the community as a tourist destination. It's called the Lembanato Mangrove Conservation. Mangrove forests in the Togean Islands are estimated to cover around 4,800 hectares and are spread over several large islands, including Barudaka Island, Togean Island, and Walayabahi Island. We've arrived at the Lembanato Mangrove Conservation Forest. To help us get around the forest area, a 500-metre raised boardwalk has been constructed. Mangroves occur in intertidal areas and are particularly common where interactions occur between the salty marine water and fresh river and terrestrial waters. This brackish mixed water results in high biodiversity in the mangrove ecosystem. This particular forest has been preserved and managed by the community since 1990, and in 1998 received an award from the British government for its conservation efforts. After receiving this award, mangrove conservation activists campaigned more aggressively in an effort to educate people about the importance of mangrove plants for environmental sustainability in the Togean Islands. Mangrove forests are incredibly important ecosystems. They not only maintain the integrity of the coastline, preventing erosion, but they are also home to critical fisheries that support the coral reef ecosystem. Without mangroves, the islands and incredible coral reef systems surrounding them simply would not survive. Conserving mangroves is not an easy task.
Di situ aja boleh muka kalapa itu. Tuh, sini boleh. Ini boleh, Bro. Ini. Isikan tanah dulu.
It starts by filling black plastic containers with sand and mud, ready to plant the mangrove seeds.
Lombok juga itu tanah. Tidak panas saja.
The seeds they are planting are not farmed or imported. Instead, the conservation group look for mangrove fruit that has fallen around the base of the trees. They collect these and transfer the seeds to the pre-prepared containers.
Keras. Boleh. Satu.
After around 6 months, the small mangrove plants are ready to be moved and planted back in the forest. At this point, they will have reached a maximum height of 40 to 80 centimetres. The new mangrove seedlings are planted close to where the seeds were found, as they have a much higher survival rate when closer to the parent plants. Today, the conservation group are heading out to plant some mangroves in the conservation area.
Ente cari juga lokasi bata nama ente gale sembarang. Sini boleh suka gale juga. Ini. Ayo.
Mau dibuka dari polybag itu?
Iyo. Ente gale yang penting boleh tak masuk polybag.
Polybag mau dikasih masuk juga?
Hah?
Polybagnya?
Mau buka.
Buka.
Boleh tak isi polybag? Boleh coy. Kasih isi coy. Isi baru langsung pura-pura timbun saja.
Berarti mau dirobek dari polybag?
Kasih masuk dulu sini. Angka coy, angka kasih masuk sini.
These mangrove plant seedlings are around 6 months old and are now big enough to be planted back into the forest. And as they grow, they will do their bit to help protect the coastline and species that call the mangrove forest home.
Langsung kas berdiri lurus lang dia. Berdiri lurus mangrove, berdiri lurus, tarik palang-palang itu. Oke, nanti ya.
Every year, conservation activists plant approximately 100 to 500 trees, but the survival rate for these seedlings isn't always great. Both marine plastic and driftwood, as well as larger waves, can cause the small mangrove plants to die. The conservation group frequently clean up the plastic waste from around the mangrove plants, and they also remove the driftwood that is carried by the ocean currents. Both plastic and driftwood can inhibit the growth of newly planted mangrove seedlings. The conservation group here have their work cut out for them, doing daily patrols of the forest to clean up, as well as patrolling the coastline in an attempt to stop people from cutting the mangroves down. Visiting the mangrove forest in the Togean Islands is a unique experience, allowing tourists to get involved and help support sustainable and responsible tourism. I hope you've enjoyed your visit, and we hope that one day we'll see you here, walking along these boardwalks, enjoying the environment that the Togeans work so hard to conserve.